Hey there, Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a shamrock, an Irish shamrock for St. Patrick's Day. So I'm just going to, very gently, I'm going to draw a circle. Draw it gently so you can erase it later, and that'll just help you a bit. Work out where the middle's going to go, and then we're going to draw a heart right from that middle point there. We go up, just touch the top and down, up, just up, touch the point and down, and then we're going to go sideways. We're going to just leave a little bit of a gap in here, go up and around and down, down and around and up, and we'll do the same on this side, around. So it's this sort of sideways heart like that. Okay, and then we're going to want a stalk coming out like that, and then let's put a like a little flick down the middle like that, and then we'll do 1, 2, 3, maybe make that a bit bigger, 1, 2, 3. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. When you're absolutely sure that the ink is dry, erase those pencil lines, and why not subscribe down here while you're at it? And erase those pencil lines. No one will know how you got it so accurate. Then all you need to do, colour it in green, and have a happy St. Patrick's Day. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.